Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do this gorgeous hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys how to do the needle and thread flat twist. You see my hair in the front. I do not have regular flat twist in front here. I use needle and thread to do this. So I want to do this for people that are always saying they don't know how to flat twist whenever I do my flat twist tutorials, because I have a lot of flat twist based hairstyles on my channel. So if you don't know how to flat twist, you have an alternative to try that looks exactly like flat twist and still looks very nice. And I'm also going to show you guys how I did this jazzed up summer hairstyle, especially for people that are traveling or going on vacation. It's a very convenient style, very beautiful style to do. Even if you're not traveling, this is just a regular, very nice summer hairstyle that you can wear. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I'm just finishing up my wash and deep conditioning process, and I'm gonna put a plastic bag on my head after I'm done rinsing it out, as you guys will soon see. Now I'm going to moisturize my hair, and my hair is still damp. After I was done washing out the deep conditioner, I left the plastic bag on it just so my hair wouldn't dry out and it will still remain damp for when I want to start moisturizing. You guys know you can't carry full-size products on trips, so I like that Funky's daughter has this small travel size kit that you can carry. So I'm just going to give you guys an idea of how I incorporate this travel size kit for a vacation. It actually has everything you need to do a full style. So it has extra butter, super curl, midnight train, curly magic, and thirsty curl. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my hairstyle today. Okay, my hair is already done, so no need to spray some water. First, I'm going to be taking Thirsty Curl, which is a leave-in curl revitalizer, which is a leave-in spray. You guys know how much I talk about leave-in sprays. It's something that you need to be using every day on your hair. It helps to maintain moisture levels in your hair. Next, I'm going to be taking Super Curl, which is a deep hydrating cream. It's very lightweight. It absorbs right into your hair. During the summertime, I like to keep the products that I apply on my hair really light. I go for lightweight, deep hydrating products, and Thirsty Curl and Super Curl together get the job done. And it also helps me reduce buildup, because buildup can prevent moisture from getting into low porosity hair. Next, I'm going to be taking Extra Butter, which is a little thicker than Super Curl, but I'm not using it all over my head. Remember I said I like to keep my products light. I'm just applying that only to my ends. So when I'm done, I'm just simply going to twist it up and work on the next section. I leave the plastic shower cap on my head the entire time. When I'm done working on the section, I twist it back up and put it back under the shower cap. It helps to create incubate heat, so it creates like this greenhouse effect that stores in heat under the shower cap that helps to keep your cuticles open so the products absorb better into your hair. I'm just going to leave my hair under the shower cap for 2 to 3 hours before I actually start styling. As the products absorb more into your hair, it softens up your hair and makes it easier for you to part if you're doing any style. So now I went ahead and divided my hair into 4 parts. So 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. Okay, so this is the first time I'm ever trying the needle and thread flat twist. So I did some sections to practice. I basically did all around, and I just have these 3 sections left. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it with these sections. So I split my hair into 4. Then this front piece, I split it into 3. So I have 1, 2, 3 sections. And I have 3 on this side. I sectioned them the same way I did this side. So at the back, this was the back quarter. I split it into 2. And on this side, the back quarter, I split it into 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 at the back. And then 6 in front. So 3 on this side, 3 on this side, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Simple and short. So you're going to need yarn. I got this off Amazon. It was a bit difficult for me to thread it through this curved needle. I'm using a curved needle. So maybe don't get one that is this thick, but don't get one that is too thin either, because thinner ones, like thinner threads, might cause breakage on your hair. So thicker threads are better, especially the ones that are very soft. Like this one is really soft. So if you have multiple needles, I'd advise that you actually thread them before you start. So I have 3 sections left, so I went ahead and threaded 3 needles about arm span length. Okay, so I'm going to keep these out of the way, and we're starting with this section. So you want to start by folding your hair. So you're basically going to fold your hair like that. Make sure that you're folding it firmly. Then you're going to take the end of the thread and use your finger to hold it down on top of the fold, and you can also fold your hair over the thread. Just fold your hair into the thread like that. Hold it firmly. Then take the needle and pass it through your hair. Be careful, please do not poke yourself. I will not be held responsible for that. Please be careful. So after you do the first loop, you go ahead and do another loop. And then you just simply keep doing that. Keep passing the needle through the hair and going around, doing like round stitches going around the hair. Just simply looping the needle and thread around the folded hair. I'm going to show you this thing in different angles so that you guys will see from different angles. But please, if there's any part that you don't understand, or if there's any part that I'm not explaining properly, please ask me down below and I'll try my best to explain. I'm using black thread, so it might not be that easy to see where the thread is at, but just let me know. I can do another tutorial using like yellow or white thread or something like that. So I just basically keep doing that, keep looping the needle and thread, wrapping it around the folded section, and you can space it however you like. Just basically look at it and see how it's looking. You can space the stitches however you want to space them. So when I get to the end, I just simply take the thread and wrap it around my hair like you would do regular African threading. If you're going to leave the ends out, the ends of your hair out, like if you're going to put it in a bun or something, please make sure you do this part neater, do it cleaner than I'm doing it. I'm going to put a ponytail attachment over the end, so that is why I'm not really focusing on making it look clean and neat at the end. When I'm done, I just do a simple knot at the end, not too tight so it's easy to unravel. So I'm going to show you guys another section. As you can see, I folded my hair, I've taken the end of the thread and I'm holding it, and then I'm going to start passing the needle around my hair. So I'm going to move over to a different angle to show you guys. So from this angle, I think it's a little clearer. The light is reflecting off my hair and the thread differently, so you can see the difference between my hair and the thread, but I'm just doing the same thing I've been doing. Take the needle and just do a simple loop around the folded hair, spacing it however you want to space it. As you can see, if you look a little bit to the right, you can see two other sections that I've done. So it's just the same thing. It's very easy actually. It's very straightforward. It just might be a little difficult if you're doing it on your own head because you have to be careful not to poke yourself. But if you're doing it on someone else's head, it's very easy. You're just simply looping the thread around the folded hair. Again, like I said, please, if there's any part of this that is not clear, that I'm not explaining properly, please ask me down below. So this is the section that I'm done doing, and this is how it looks. So I'm just finishing up the end by simply wrapping the thread around the hair, and I'm just gonna do a knot at the end. So I'm just turning around so you guys will see I'm done doing all the sections, and you can actually do this on any hair length. Yeah, it works on any hair length, and like I said, I'm going to be adding a ponytail as well. You can simply like literally tuck this into a bun, but for this video I'm going to be putting a ponytail attachment on. So the ponytail attachment I'm using is from Her Giving Hair. I've worked with them a million times and they always have good hair. As you can see, it comes with combs and a drawstring so you can attach it to your head, and I'm going to be attaching that to my bun. So I decided to fluff out the hair because I like very big fluffy hair. I wanted the ponytail to be really big, so I went ahead and just frizzed out the ponytail. You can definitely wear it in its curly state. Just put some water and some gel. You can use Curly Magic that comes in the curl kit, and use that to define the curls of the ponytail if you like, but I like it fluffy. Okay, so now I'm redoing my bun to make it as small and as compact as possible so that the ponytail can fit. If you have less hair, then you don't have to do this. The ponytail will easily fit. So I just have to make my hair as small as possible so that the ponytail can fit. So now I'm taking the combs and attaching it to the bun, and I'm gonna pull the drawstring to tighten it, just making sure it's secure. Now I'm gonna take some pieces from the hair and just wrap it around, and that is it. Very simple and very straightforward. So now I'm gonna take some water and just use it to just fluff out the hair, arrange it. Gonna do some trimming as well, just to shape the puff so that it looks nice. And yeah, that is it. Very simple, very straightforward, very easy to do. I really like this ponytail attachment, especially with the blonde ends. I think it's really nice. The hair is from Her Given Hair and it's very soft. Her Given Hair products are always very soft. You guys know I work with them a lot. I love working with their company. They are like literally the best natural hair extension company on the market. So they have a variety of stuff. I wanted to try out their ponytails because of this hairstyle, and it just worked perfectly well with the style. I actually did not think it was going to fit my bun initially, but it did. And this thing is steady, it's not moving, it's not falling anywhere. So this needle and thread flat twist method, if you're doing it on your own head, it's a little bit difficult, especially if this is your first time. This was my first time doing it, so it was a little bit difficult because you're trying not to poke yourself with the needle and trying to make the flat twist as neat as possible. But I think I tried, I did my best, and I think I did a pretty good job, a pretty decent job. But if you're doing it on someone else's head, I promise you it is the easiest thing to do. It is super easy if you're doing it on someone else's head. So if you're going on vacation, your hair is just up, you don't have to worry about your hair, you don't have to worry about doing anything. You can get multiple ponytails if you want to switch up the look. Her Given Hair has more variety of ponytails. So yeah, I really like this style. I think this is such a gorgeous jazzed up summer style. I love it so much. All the stuff I use is from Uncle Funky's daughter as usual. I hope you guys saw how I was able to use the travel kits to do a full style. Like I said, if you're going on vacation and you want to carry the kit, definitely go ahead because it will come in handy. Curly Magic is a gel, so I could have definitely used this to define the curls of the ponytail, but like I said, I like really big fluffy looks, so I didn't really need to use it. But if you want a more defined curly look, definitely use Curly Magic. It's an amazing gel. I've used it before on other people's hair, I've used it before on curly extensions, and yeah, this is one of the best gels on the market. So definitely try it out if you have curly hair and you want to do a curly hairstyle like wash and go and stuff like that. All the products I use are going to be listed down below. They're all from Uncle Funky's daughter. You can use my code West African Baby for 15% off. It's not an affiliate code. I don't make money off the code. It's just for you guys to save some money if you're shopping. This ponytail is from Her Given Hair. It's also going to be linked down below, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.